I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Edge versus Mazda CX-5 full comparison. Please pause and note what matters most to you: fuel economy, cargo, or tech. I'll walk through engines, handling, interior space, safety features, and typical ownership costs so you can weigh comfort against performance. I'll point out who benefits most from each model and highlight practical pros and cons to make your decision easier and faster. Both models bring different driving personalities to the road, so imagine your daily routes and priorities. The Ford Edge tends to prioritize engine power and relaxed long-distance cruising, while the Mazda CX-5 delivers nimble steering and engaging cornering for winding roads. I'll compare fuel economy numbers, towing potential, and transmission behavior so you know what to expect for commuting, road trips, or occasional towing tasks in real-life driving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: Droplet stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle I brought on test drives. It's handy for long trips and hot days. Check the description for that link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, consider passenger comfort, cargo flexibility, and daily usability for your lifestyle. The Ford Edge often wins on space and versatile load area for bikes, strollers, or luggage, while the Mazda CX-5 aims for a refined, near-luxury feel with tighter rear seats. I'll compare infotainment responsiveness, connectivity options, and storage solutions so you can decide whether space or cabin quality matters more to your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.